What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung gagawin nyo kapag naka-receive kayo ng ganitong text message from BDO. You have been approved for a BDO credit card based on your consent you provided to the bank. An SMS will be sent once your card is out for delivery. For inquiries or to update your billing address, please call BDO Contact Center at 8631-8000. Pero ngayon guys, bago na yung contact center ni BDO, which is 8888-0000. 4 na 8, 4 na 0. Yun na yung bagong contact number or hotline number nila. Kasi matagal na itong text message na to guys, ngayon ko lang naisipan na gawan ng content. For your protection, please do not share your account details and OTP to anyone. So ngayon guys, ibig sabihin yan is initiated credit card siya from BDO. Hindi kayo nag-apply, binigyan lang kayo ngayon ng kusa. Kaya naman ngayon guys, let's talk about BDO initiated credit card. Ano yung gagawin ninyo kapag naka-receive kayo ng text message which is approve kayo for a credit card kahit hindi naman kayo nag-apply? And then of course, paano natin makukuha or paano mapapasatin yung credit card na yon? Kasi minsan hindi siya dinideliver ng courier ni BDO. Lalong-lalo na kapag yung address natin is nakatago or hindi agad malocate. Hindi dinideliver agad yon. Tapos, of course, kung paano siya i-activate para magamit natin. Pero bago yun, nais muna kita imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, you have been approved for a BDO credit card based on your consent you provided to the bank. So ibig sabihin, nag-conduct ng evaluation si BDO personnel sa account ninyo at nakita nilang qualified kayo for a credit card. Kaya naman pinadalhan kayo or in-approve kayo nila for a credit card kahit hindi kayo nag-apply. Ngayon, ang dapat nyong gawin guys, kapag naka-receive kayo ng ganito, tawagan nyo yung BDO Contact Center kung hindi kayo sigurado sa address ninyo. Para sure na makukuha ninyo yung credit card na yon and then, hindi kayo mahirapan of course. Kasi minsan, kapag hindi natin alam, matagal na yung account natin sa bangko, hindi natin alam kung ano yung address na naka-indicate doon. Kaya naman, it should be updated para less inconvenience sa side ninyo. Makuha nyo agad yung credit card na yon. And then, as you can see, my text message again, case ID, of course, confidential siya. Your card is still for production. We will endorse for rush delivery as soon as the card is made available. Thank you. This is a system-generated message. Do not reply. Parang update lang ito guys sa credit card ninyo. Kasi nakikita nyo naman March 11 then March 14. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung text, yung date at saka time. And then, your BDO credit card ending in 8444 has been dispatched for delivery and expected within 3 to 5 days. Do not open if tampered. Within Metro Manila yun guys. Kasi yung address ko doon is nasa Metro Manila. Kaya 3 to 5 days. Tapos ngayon, hindi siya dumating doon sa address na yun. Kaya naman, ang nangyari is, nandito nakita nyo. Delivery of your BDO MasterCard credit card ending in 8444 was unsuccessful after 3 attempts. For redelivery instructions, please visit the BDO website, click credit cards or cards, then card services, then card delivery. Please disregard if you have already received your credit card. Kasi minsan nagkakaroon ng glitch sa system nila at kahit na-deliver na, tinatag pa rin as undelivered. Ngayon, naka-receive kayo ng ganito, the best thing to do is to call contact center. To make sure na makuha ninyo yung credit card na yon, better to request for pick up by branch. Ngayon, pag natawag na ninyo, okay na yung pick up by branch. Ngayon, magte-text ulit sila. Your BDO MasterCard credit card ending in 8444 has been dispatched to BDO kung anong branch yon. You will receive another SMS once card is already available for pick up. To claim, please present any valid government ID with photo. Your LBC tracking number is, ayan, bibigyan kayo ng tracking number from LBC. Then, thank you. So, pwede nyo i-track doon kung asan na, ano na yung sitwasyon, kung nakarating na ba, ganon. Tapos ngayon, pag nakarating na guys sa branch, kung saan kayo nag-request ng pick up by branch, makaka-receive ulit kayo ng text message. So, as you can see guys, May 15, 2024, then May 10. So, ibig sabihin, nasa 5 days lang yung turnaround time. So, ngayon, naka-receive na ulit ako ng text message saying na, your BDO MasterCard credit card ending in 844 is now ready for pick up at BDO kung anong branch yon. please personally claim your card within 3 banking days. So, kailangan guys, i-claim nyo agad siya. Huwag nyo papalagpasin yung 3 banking days na nandun yung card niyo kasi ibabalik yun. At hindi nyo na ulit makukuha yun. Tatawag na naman ulit kayo para ipa-pick up for delivery, pick up by branch. Kindly present any valid government ID with photo and this message. So, itong message na to guys, huwag nyo i-delete. Then, do not delete this message kasi nakalagay, thank you. Kasi kailangan itong message na yun for verification. So, kaya, of course, nakuha na ninyo. Ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin kung paano i-activate yung BDO credit card natin. So, as you can see, guys, ayan, your card is inactive. Activate now. Text activate space, first name, slash, middle name. Wala yung name ha, pero yun yung tinutukoy dyan. Then, slash, last name. Then, slash, last 4 digits of the card, 22225678. So, example, ayun, may example siya, guys. X, so 1 Reyes, ganyan. Ayun yung sample niya. Ngayon, pagka-activate, so kailangan guys, yung gagamitin yung mobile number kapag nag-activate kayo, yung mobile number na naka-register doon sa system ni BDO or nung nag-open kayo ng savings account or noong nag-apply kayo ng credit card sa BDO. Yun dapat yung gagamitin yung pang-text para ma-validate yung request ninyo for activation. Kasi kapag ibang number yung ginamit ninyo, hindi siya magpo-proceed, mag-error siya. So pagka ginamit niyo successful naman, makaka-receive kayo ng your BDO credit card is now active. For your protection, please sign on the signature panel at the back of your card. Download BDO Pay, link your new card, and use it to shop, dine, and more. For more info, visit BDO website, reference, ganyan. So ibig sabihin guys, ready to use na yung BDO credit card ninyo. Ganun lang siya kabilis. So pwede nyo siyang gamitin pang swipe. Of course, be responsible when it comes to spending. Do not overspend guys. So kung magkano lang yung pera ninyo, yun lang isa-swipe ninyo kasi para mabayaran nyo siya agad. Kasi mahirap kapag hindi nyo nabayaran yung dues ninyo sa credit cards, papatong-patong yun. Kaya naman, make sure na do not overspend. Spend below your means. Tapos, ito guys, take note lang na yung credit card natin is naglalaman ng confidential details. So, dapat aware kayo doon, yung card number at saka yung CVV or CVC sa likod ng card, wag na wag yung ipagkakalat kasi pwedeng magamit yung credit card natin sa online transactions. At magugulat na lang kayo, may na-charge sa credit card ninyo kahit hindi naman kayo yung gumamit ng card ninyo. At masakit sa ulo guys. Kasi minsan, to be honest, umaabot ng milyon-milyon yung credit limit natin sa credit card. So kapag nagka-problema doon, nagkaroon ng unauthorized transactions, babayaran nyo yun kapag may kasalanan kayo sa part ninyo. Kaya dapat alam ninyo kung paano ninyo pangalagaan yung credit card details ninyo. So ngayon lang siya. So ganun lang siya guys. So sana mag-enjoy kayo sa paggamit ng credit card at huwag na huwag kayo mag-enjoy na literal na dapat alam nyo pa rin kung hanggang saan lang yung limitasyon ninyo. Kasi kahit milyon yung credit limit dyan, pag swipe ninyo, automatic talaga yan, gagana yan. But pag dumating ng bayaran at hindi nyo kaya bayaran, masakit sa ulo guys kasi kapag hindi nyo siya nabayaran, masisira yung pangalan ninyo sa mga credit, sa CIC of course, kasi isasubmit ng bangko yan, ng BDO, sa Credit Card Information Corporation or Credit Information Corporation yung details ninyo na kayo may hindi kayo binayarang utang. So red flag yung pangalan ninyo at mahihirapan na kayo makakuha ng future loans ninyo. So paano pa kayo makakapag-access sa mga financial institutions kapag may problema sa pangalan ninyo? So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!